Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your CareCredit account. So to log in, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and in the search bar, search for CareCredit Login. And as a result, you can see the interface. Click on the first one, CareCredit Login. Or you can type in www.credit.com. It will take you to the official website of CareCredit Bank. And over here, click on the Login button. As the page loads up, you can enter your username of your account over here like this, and enter your password like this. You can confirm your password by clicking the Submit button over here. Mark the checkbox before Remember Username if you are using your private computer to stay logged in. But if you are using a public computer, I do not recommend you to do that. Once you do that, click on the Login button. You should be able to log in into your CareCredit account. And in case if you guys forgot your username or password, you can reset it by clicking here, I forgot my username or password. And if you want to create a new account, you can click here, I want to register. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.